Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad. My name is G. Vijay, Contract Faculty Lecturer in Computer Science and Applications. So now discussions about topic is how to open Visual Basic. How to open Visual Basic. Click on the Start menu. Click on the Start menu. All programs. Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 opens the new project dialog box. Click on the Start menu. All programs. Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 opens a new project dialog box. So this is the dialog box. This is the dialog box. This is the dialog box. So dialog box 1, dialog box, so many dialog boxes there. Database creations and actives, HTML, X documents, or so many menu bars in dialog box is there. So this is the dialog box is there. We have to select any dialog box and click on open button. Default automatically give the open buttons. Okay, next one dialog box on click on OK. Visual Basic Studio 6.0 integrated development environment. So this is the integrated development and environment. Integrated development environment. So environment, this is the integrated. So many use in this window in Visual Basic. So this is the Visual Basic window integrated development environment. So first of all we have to take an integrated development environment. So first of all, before you can write programs in Visual Basic 6.0, you need to install Visual Basic 6.0 compile on your computer. If you have already installed in Microsoft in your PC or laptop, you can also use the built-in Visual Basic application in Excel to start creating Visual Basic program by the Visual Basic compilers. So environment also then take number 1 standard access, active access, active DLL and active X control, a Visual Basic applications wizard, a Visual Basic wizard manager, active X document, active document Excel, data project, and this is the give the menu bar dialog box. So this are dialogs box can use for in this environment. You can choose the either start or new project. You can choose the either start or new project, open executing program, or select the list of recently opened program. You have to select any open the executing programs. You select a list a recent opened program. A project is a collection of files. A project is a collection of files. Then make up your applications. We have to take mm, collection of projects or collection of data and collection of project files. Make up your applications or design applications or modifications in applications. There are various types of application. There are so many types of application that we could create. However, we shall connect and create a standard excel access program. Means executing tools, mean executing tables. Sorry, not tools, executing tables, executing tables. Before you begin, you must think of a applications that briefly have commercial education value. Next click on next click on next click on standard access icon. Its icon to go the actually Visual Basic and 6.0 programming environment. exe standard exe, it's a icon actually Visual Basic 6.0 programming development environment. Start a new Visual Basic 6.0 standard exe project. You will be presented with the Visual Basic 6.0 integrated development environment IDE. The Visual Basic 6.0 is a integrated programming environment is shown in figure. So the give the image. This is the integrated of given environment. Integrated environment. Integrated environment development. So this one is integrated development environment standard exe standard. So the Visual Basic integrated programming environment ensure the consist of a toolbox, forms, project explorer, and the properties of Windows. And the properties of Windows. So this one is given toolboxes. This is the drag and drop toolbox. We have to select any toolbox, then drag and drop, set the form window. So this is the drag and drop toolboxes. So next one is the form design window. This is the form design window. A form design window, we have to select forms and background color and text color, and so it's a change of forms background property. So next one is code editing window. This one is code window. It's a code window. You can write any programs in Visual Basic 6.0. We must to write in code window. or code editing window. Code editing window. We have to code editing window. This is the code window. You can change or any edit in this program. So we have to some types of debug error or mistakes, they will be changed. Go for the edit window. Edit window. This is the form layout window. This is the form layout window. So this is form layout window. Then give the change background property or text property or text background property and uh, form layout property. It's given change the color. So this one is the uh, form layout window. And next one, this is the property window. This is the property window. So this property window, you will be change some take drag and drop in form, insert the form and change property. They will be change, give the rename, change the name and enter the selected names or particular names. This is called as a property. Property we have to change this, change the property window. But we have to take, for example, drag and drop command button, text button or image button or whatever maybe. We have to drag and drop insert the forms. They will be changed property, background property, text property, form property, and this they will be changed in these forms. This is called as a property window. Property window in Visual Basic 6.0 integrated development window. Integrated development environment. Integrated development environment is always the program to create. Integrated development always the program to create, run and debug application. Run and debug and programming environment always application environment. To always rapid application development is RAD. To always rapid application development. So this is rapid application development and it offers lot of a convenience of these programs. Convenience of these programs. So this is the given is a in, point in give the error or debug error, some little bit of mistakes, then particular lines give the error. So this is the programming development application integrated development. So next, elements of integrated development environment. Elements of integrated development environment. So the integrated development environments, then they will be take some give the options. So these options, they will be first we have to write menu bar and toolbar and form layout window, project explorer or projects window, and toolbox, object browser, and code window. It's a code window. So this is the take elements of integrated development environment. Elements of integrated development environment, menu bars. First we have to take menu bar. So menu bar present the visual basic menus. Menu bar present the visual basic menus. So menus, then they will be take top of the menu bar. Menus. This menu bar display the commands that are required to build an application. This menu bar display the command. Display the command. Display the commands, and then are required to an application. Required to on a application. Required to on a application. A menu bar. Menus or file, edit, view, project, format, debug, run, query. There are some types of given menu bars. Menu bars or files, edit, view, project, format, debug, run, query. Run query. Debug it's a error. Run, it's a runtime error. So this is the menu bar in the give the options. So file, edit, view, file, edit, view, project, and format, debug, and run, and queries. So this is the next one. This is toolbar. So toolbars, it's a given the very important in this form. Toolbars. Toolbars. A toolbar provide a quick access to most commonly used option. Toolbox, most commonly used options. So many options is there in toolbox. Toolbox very important in quick and provide in quick access most commonly used to option in this toolbox. So first of all we have to take toolbox number 1. This is the toolbox. So this toolbox, so many tools is there. We have to give one by one explanations. One by one explanations. Form layout window. This is the form layout window. Form layout window is a simple visual basic design tool. Form layout window, say window is a simple visual basic design tools. This helps in controlling the form options in the Windows environment. The form layout window is a simple visual basic begin tools. The help in compiling of this. So form layout we have to change basically forms, then change backup property color or text colors or text font size increasing or font size decreasing, and change the bold, italic, underline. This is forms, it's a layout of this given opportunities and options in window environment. Form layout window environment. So this is the layout. The form layout window is a simple visual basic design tools that helps in a controlling the forms options in the window of environment. So next one. Project Explorer. It is a collection of files. It is a collection of files used to development on applications. On applications of files used to develop a applications. Files used to applications, files development applications, and collection of files and collection of data or collection of raw fact of data or collection of raw fact of files. It can be used to development on applications, on files used to development of applications. So Project Explorer. Project Explorer. And next point, the Windows display the form and modules for the correct project. This Windows displays the form and modules, the windows of form modules for the correct project. Say project. It is a collection of files needed to development. So application collection of files applications. It's a Project Explorer. Property window. So this window display list of all properties of the select object. Property window. These windows display all the properties, list of all properties of this list in object. So Windows property, then background property or color change or text color change, and Windows property they will be changed in some types given colors, bolds or italics, inner lines. This. So next, toolbox. The Visual Basic Control toolbox perform many types of programming tasks. Some of this control toolbox automatically start Visual Basic. Standard controls are called as a control toolbox. A pictures or so many, including a general control like the use of Visual Basic programming in toolbox. So a toolbox provide list of objects that are used as interface elements. These objects is a generally called as a control. These are standard control provided by the Visual Basic in toolbox in so many list. The toolbox contains a tools that represented in Visual Basic in is a general toolbox. So first of all we have to take is picture box. Toolbox so many types is there. Toolbox is so many types is there. We have to take picture toolbox. Display the picture box control name, toolbox name, picture box. Functioning display the graphical can also as the container for other control. Picture box display the graphical methods or graphical uses. It's a picture box. And label box display the text that the user control use editing content not editing. Display the text to user editing, text editing, remove the text and give the rename. It is a label box. Text editing and text box. Display a text always the user to enter and edit the text. To enter and edit the text. And text box display the always user to enter in edit text, then they will be change and give the collection of data you can take in this text box, give the rename. Text box give the rename and particular the user always editing in this text. So text name, then will be modify the text background property and color property and text property and text size and bold and italic and underline. So this is the given in text box. Then change of this given text box. Frame. So frame container for other controls provides a grouping of controls. It's a frame. We have to take so many candidate is there, then give the group of data in this frame. In click on label buttons, a frame besides in label button and display the so many names or years, and it's a display the it's a frame setting. Frame setting also can give the change color and background and property italic, bold, underline. So this is the given of frame control name and command button. Always the user to action by the clicking the button click the button can give the result. Command buttons, they will be display the all types of write down programs and give the result. Particular absolutely value can give the clicking the button, and result also give the command button. Then only for the clicking buttons they give or so many types of programs and give the result. Say command button. So command. So the text box control also now as a simple and a text box. Say name the box is a display and accept the text. Similarly to a text box, you find the particular name and The give remove the change in text box and enter the name display and informations. Always to give the informations in the text box. So command buttons give the result. Give the result. In particular, give the result. Give the result. Click on command button. Give the result. Checkbox. Now, checkbox. Let us the user make a true or false in choice. In this checkbox, we have to select or true or false. Can user take choice? User take choice. Let us the user make a true or false. You can take true or false. User choice button. True or false in choice buttons. This is the listen. Let the user make in true or false. The check button can give the check buttons is true and display the positive value in given or default automatical then false. You can choose the false and give the false result in given false. Option button. Let us the user choose one options for a group of elements. It's an option button. It's a group of elements. Group of elements, take a group of collection in data or group of elements, then they will be take in a conditions. Check the options. One options from the group of elements. The option button. This is the given option buttons. So these option buttons, then click on particular items, choose particular items and default automatically give the display the option button. So this is the option buttons. And next one, combo box. Let us the user choose from a list of items or enter a new value. It's a combo box. Combo box can enter a new value. Combo box can enter a new value in the choose a list of items. Enter a new value. Choose enter a list of value. This is the a new value. Enter a new value in comma box. Comma box given a new value. List box. So this is called a list box. Let us user choose the a list of items. List of items. Then the let us the user choose from a list of items. Select the list. Number of lists can click on or choose in button. A default automatically list of items can select and click on particular items in the box. Choose the box. So this is the given in list of items, and then this is the control names in Visual Basic toolboxes: picture box, a label box, text box, frames, command button, and checkbox, and option buttons, and comma box, and list box. Let us the user choose for a list of items in a list box. So this is the toolboxes in given the toolboxes options. The Visual Basic integrated development environment always the program to create, run and debug Windows. A programming in one application to Visual Basic without the need to open a additional program. A program to create the programming that the executing the programs, a program that debug the program or debug the error and runtime error. A Visual Basic integrated development is a feature the discuss to create in executing a simple and programs. When a Visual Basic is loaded, the new project dialog show the display the new project dialog always the program to choose the types of Visual Basic programming to create standard and access. This is the integrated development environment. So this is the integrated development environment. So through the some standard EXL tools, some given the tools. So this standard EXL main things about in Visual Basic window forms display in this programming form window method. Next one, horizontal scroll bar. The user choose a scroll bar value beside on the position of the button in the bar. Let us user choose and scroll bar. This is scroll bar, then horizontal scroll bar can give the some values of based on position, then default automatically, then drag and give the scrolling bar, then scroll top to bottom and left to right. There are two types of scroll bars. And the next, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll. Same, let us you to choose horizontal scroll bar, then or vertical scroll bar, then the value of beside on the positions the buttons in the bar, then vertical scroll bar, then horizontal bar and vertical scroll bar. Then give the basic position beside, the value of beside on the positions of button in given vertical and horizontal in scroll bar. So next one, then toolbars control name is a timer function. Let us these programs performs functions on the timed based. We have to timer based in the programs perform the functioning. In this functioning of this program, timer program on the basically we have to give the particular timer, particular take times and give the positions or time and read the times. The programs performs in functionings and particular based timed in base. Timed base is a given the timer program. This is the timer programs and give this functioning, say control function.